And we're back. Okay, now in the last video we imported our 13 target images. In this video we're going to take one of them and create a GUI texture from it, an actual GUI texture object, and place it and position it in the game. Now the position and the size that these things will have is a little bit dependent on what your final finish rolled out game size window is. So we're going to create it, and we're going to size it, and it'll look fine now, but just keep in the back of your mind that if you're going to roll this out to the web in a small window or to a handheld device or some such thing, you may have to think about that as far as sizing goes. So with that in mind, let's get to it. So first we're going to create our texture. We have to make sure that one of our images is selected, and then come up to Game Object, Create Other, GUI Texture. And there it is on the screen. It's kind of big, but we're going to deal with that. But the important thing is, if you look over here in the Hierarchy menu, there it is. It's going to have the same name as the image. That's fine. But we need to have that selected so we get the information in the inspector. We're going to come into this Pixel Inset section, and we're going to set the X and Y values at 0. So that's sort of where it's based. And then we're going to change the width and height. We're going to make this smaller. We're going to make it half as wide, so 512, and half as tall, so 64. And this is, like I said, based on the window size you expect to put it out to. Now we're going to reposition in X, and 0 is the left side, so we're going to make it real close to the left side. And 1 is the top, so we're going to have it just down a little bit from the top. So there it is. Now you don't want to go by what's in the scene menu here, but we'll save it, and now let's run it, see what it looks like in the game window that comes up. Okay, that's pretty good. It's there, we can see it. It doesn't work yet, but it's reasonably positioned for the moment. And that's it for now. That's it for this step. And we'll see you in the next video where we push this along a little further.